Hi, my name is Katy Meyer. I am the chef owner of Trumpet Blossom Cafe in Iowa City. I'm just inspired by, well, probably the food itself. We're so lucky to have such a great variety of things that are available here in Iowa. Yeah, I'm just inspired by the food and by the colors and the textures and the way different foods work together. I enjoy reading cookbooks and looking at other people's recipes and other people's dishes and things like that. But I think I've said it before, I don't want to manipulate the food a lot. I remember making a Reuben for the one like 6 years ago or whatever, so still making Reubens. If I have a carrot, I want to keep as much of the carrot's essence as I can. The texture and the color, and yeah, just honor it. I want people to be nourished, and I want people to feel good after eating my food. So I'm inspired by the idea of satisfying people's cravings, but also giving them what their body really needs. And I hope that is, evident.